welcome back to my channel. It's Elle, and today is day 3 of 12 days of home decor inspiration. I am headed out to the stores, and I'm also trying to clean off this mirror. It is so hard to keep your house clean when you have little ones running around, but you know what, you got to do what we have to do, right? Even when you're making a video. So anyway, I missed the spot, right guys? Anyway, so I will see you in the stores, guys. I hope everyone is doing well, feeling blessed, safe, loved, and secure. Okay guys, so I decided to stop into the Ross. It's in the downtown location of Houston, Texas, and they really do have some nice items in here. Although the quantity is slim, they do have some nice pieces, and I wanted to start off with the rugs because a lot of people want to, you know, just buy pillows to change up a look in their house, but the rug is very important. And the one thing you don't want to do in your home is just take a couch, stick it up against the wall, put a small rug, and just neglect the space with a big couch, small rug, and pushed up against the wall. You want to get a big, nice, fluffy rug, and you know, you can find inexpensive ones here. And you want to put the couch, the placement of the couch somewhere, you know, not in right there in the middle, but not against the wall. Just put it where it's convenient for you to walk, but not, please do not just push it against the wall. So I hope you do enjoy this video. Lots of home decor in here, something for everyone, and I will see you back at home. Okay guys, so I'm back at home. I went to Ross for the 12 days of holiday core inspiration. I thought I'd throw in a little curve there. You will definitely see a lot more home goods, but I did see a lot of glam decor in Ross and a few nice pieces. Wow, I did manage to get one piece that I'm going to show you. This was $9.99 and I think it's great for like a glam closet. And I didn't buy a lot. I'm saving my funds and my stuff for the really good stuff that I see for 2021. And then of course that they're going to do that markdown, that massive markdown come January, so you'll be able to find some pretty good decent stuff at really good prices. So you know how they do all the way down to 49 cents? That is coming up at Ross. So yes, if you want to save your funds for that, you can. And I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow.